Hi guys, welcome to my channel Pivot Patterns. Let's analyze a Bank Nifty chart for the tomorrow's expiry, that is July 21st. Well, the market has closed tomorrow being expiry. We can see that there is a neutral candle being formed on Bank Nifty. So this is the zone where we are as an option buyer. You should try to avoid trading those zones unless you get the breakout. So if we are able to close with a very bullish candle on 15-minute above on the high of this candle, that is 36,180, then we are heading towards 36,500. And then our next target would be 36,700. Similarly, on the downside, if we are able to close with a very bearish candle below this low, that is 35,880, then we are heading towards 35,500. Between these zones, we are not trading. As an option buyer, there's no buying opportunity between this zones, that is 36,180 and 38,880. Only when we get the decisive breakouts above or below, then we are going for option buying, that too after 130. As a seller, you can go definitely create a strangle above 36,500, and on the downside you can create on 35,800, depending upon how market is opening. Well, that's it guys for this expiry. We'll catch up in another video with another interesting analysis. Till we catch up in the next video, time to say goodbye. I wish you a happy trading and happy expiry trading. Thank you. Bye.